I'm going through fertility treatments, and I have done 3 treatments, and the second and the third resulted in pregnancy, but miscarriage within the first month. So the recommendation of the doctor is that I should get donor eggs, and since I'm using donor sperms. But when I got the pre-registration email, then I thought, my age is 44, the age of my eggs is 40. Then I thought, well, couldn't I just come here and have the age of my eggs to go back? So to 25, because I feel like I don't want to use donor eggs. I feel that I'm getting pregnant, and they told me that I wouldn't even get pregnant. So my question to you is...
The theys, those theys, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
But I feel, because she told me, I don't want to break your spirit if we keep trying, but I feel it in my womb. I feel it that those souls are up there for me, waiting for me. So my question to you is, in the meditations, what I've been doing is I've been focusing on the first 3 centers, and I've been focusing on the worthiness, because I think the guilt of waiting too long is what's holding me back.
Mm-hmm.
And the religion.
And the guilt is stored right in the same center as your uterus.
I feel that.
Huh? So listen, first of all, you're beautiful. And you have done nothing wrong. And don't let anybody tell you how your future is going to go. Are you listening to me?
I am.
Now, when we do the coherence healing this week, I want you on the ground. Because we're going to help you, okay? You change the field, you change matter. And if there are little beings hanging out in your field and they're trying to find a way in, then let's make them in. Let's get them in there. Okay? And you just need a little help, a little nudge. Now, guilt is an intoxicating emotion because it really keeps us feeling so bad that sooner or later people start giving us attention because of how bad we feel, and it becomes a trap. So now listen to me. Your eggs can be 44 or 40 or 35. It doesn't matter. Don't get hooked on that. What you want is happy eggs. Yes? That's all you want is happy eggs.
Yes.
You don't want guilty eggs.
No.
Guilty eggs don't really bear really happy kids.
Yes.
Don't you know Spirit is waiting for you to have happy eggs
Yes.
before you have a kid?
Yes.
Do you understand what I mean?
I do.
Okay. So there's not a nest yet for that being that wants to come in. And of course, the discharge of the egg and the sperm from the uterus is because it's not time yet, and it won't come in. It doesn't want to come in with that genetic expression. Yeah. Do you understand?
Totally.
Okay. So, when we do that breath, let me ask you a question. Mm-hmm. How bad do you want a baby? Are you passionate about it, babe? All right, so...
I feel...
All right, now listen to me. I get it.
I feel a baby.
You want a baby. How bad?
Bad.
Okay. Now listen, can you bring up that feeling when we do the breath?
Yes.
Now I want you to lock down that second center and that first center. And when it comes time to breathe, I want you to pull all that guilt out of that second center and bring it up into your brain. And I don't want you to quit until that energy strikes your brain. Do you hear me?
I hear you.
When you bless that energy center, when we move into that second center, I want you to take out a piece of paper and draw a uterus with a big smiley face on it. And 2 smiley eggs. Are you listening?
Yes.
And I want you to tune in to that energy called the happy uterus. Tune in and heal that baby, huh? And heal it and create the nest, or create a nest with a little bird in it with a smiley face. The nest has to be ready for the egg. And it's not coming in until guilt is gone, because it doesn't want to live in guilt. It wants to live in joy, and it will live in joy with you, because by gosh, you're going to be a great mama. You understand what I'm saying? Just dial into it. Just dial into it and just trust. And when you lay on that ground and those people surround you and they come from a place of love, just giving life to life, that's what they're doing. They are loving that opportunity for you into life, and it will be miraculous. And people will say, well, you're not supposed to have a baby, and you're going to say, yeah, I am. And then it'll be your greatest teacher.